What is the dumbest 100% serious thing someone has said to you? I've been a cook for 15 years. One time a server asked me to rush a chicken breast she forgot to ring in. I said okay, it will be a few minutes, it's still a bit raw, just give it to me. It's fine, she says. I tell her I don't feel like giving anyone salmonella poisoning today and she will have to wait. Her jaw drops and her face turns red. She rather belligerently shouts just give it to her because she's losing tip money. Then adds besides, people don't get salmonella from chicken, they get it from salmon. You're a cook, you should know that by now. Every person in that room did the slow neck turn of what the F did I just hear and just stared at her. I used to work at Best Buy and I had a customer, lady in her 30s, come in with her plasma television on the flat cart. She says I need a plasma refill. So I give the old customer service fake laugh because I thought it had to be a joke, but the look on her face and pissed tone showed that she was serious. I took her to the home theater department and from a distance I can hear her going off about plasma refill prices or shouldn't the warranty cover the plasma?